Welcome back to the Salesforce BA Hub podcast, where we aim to empower you with the knowledge and insights needed to succeed in Salesforce Business Analysis. Today, we have an in-depth discussion on mastering customer discovery techniques. We'll explore how these techniques can help you excel as a Salesforce Business Analyst and share key concepts to remember for the certification exam. Additionally, we'll discuss a real-world scenario to help you better understand the practical applications of customer discovery techniques. Customer discovery is a crucial part of the innovation process, as it helps organizations understand their customers' needs, preferences, and pain points. As a Salesforce Business Analyst, mastering customer discovery techniques will enable you to design more effective Salesforce solutions that cater to your customers' unique requirements. The three main customer discovery techniques we'll discuss today are: empathize with your customers, create customer archetypes, envision future scenarios. Let's dive into these techniques and see how they apply in a real-world scenario. Imagine you're a Salesforce business analyst working with a healthcare organization that wants to improve patient engagement and streamline appointment scheduling. The organization has recently implemented Salesforce Health Cloud and is looking for ways to enhance its patient experience. To begin the customer discovery process, you'll need to follow these steps. Step 1. Empathize with your customers. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. In customer discovery, empathizing with your customers means putting yourself in their shoes better to understand their needs, pain points, and desires. This is a crucial step in designing more effective Salesforce solutions, as it helps you identify what truly matters to your customers. Here's how you can approach empathizing with your customers. Conduct qualitative research. Engage in one-on-one interviews, focus groups, or open-ended surveys to gather insights directly from your customers. Encourage them to share their experiences, challenges, and expectations. Be attentive and actively listen to their responses. Observe customers in their environment. Customers interact with your organization, products, or services. This can provide valuable insights into their behavior, preferences, and frustrations that may be absent during interviews or surveys. Document customer stories. Collect customer stories highlighting their experiences, emotions, and challenges. These stories can help you identify patterns and recurring themes in their experiences. Create empathy maps. Empathy maps are visual tools that help you organize and analyze the information you gathered about your customers. They typically include sections for what customers say, do, think, and feel. By filling out empathy maps, you can better understand your customers and identify their most pressing needs and concerns. Validate your findings. Share your insights with other stakeholders or team members to ensure your understanding of the customer's needs and pain points is accurate and comprehensive. This collaborative approach can help identify gaps in your knowledge and refine your understanding of the customer. By empathizing with your customers, you can design Salesforce solutions that truly address their needs and improve their overall experience with your organization. This skill is essential for your role as a business analyst and the Salesforce Business Analyst certification exam. Step 2. Create customer archetypes. Customer archetypes, called personas, are fictional representations of customer segments based on actual data and research. They help you better understand your customers' needs, preferences, and motivations, enabling you to design more targeted and personalized Salesforce solutions. Creating customer archetypes involves the following steps. Analyze research data. Review the data you've collected during the empathy phase, including interviews, surveys, observations, and empathy maps. Look for patterns, common themes, and recurring issues indicating different customer segments. Identify customer segments. Based on your analysis, identify your organization's distinct customer segments. These segments can be based on demographics, behaviors, needs, and motivations. Develop archetypes for each segment. For each customer segment, create a detailed archetype that includes the following elements. A name and image. Give your archetype a name and an image to make it more relatable and easier to remember. This helps to humanize the archetype and make it more engaging for your team. B. Demographics. Include relevant demographic information such as age, gender, occupation, and income level. Behaviors. Describe the typical behaviors of the archetype, including how they interact with your organization, products, or services. D. Needs and motivations. Outline the essential needs and reasons that drive the archetype's behavior. This could include specific pain points they're trying to solve or goals they're trying to achieve. E. Quotes and stories. Include representative quotes or anecdotes from your research to illustrate the archetype's experiences and perspectives. Validate and refine archetypes. Share them with other stakeholders or team members to gather feedback and ensure they accurately represent your customers. Make any necessary adjustments based on the feedback you receive. Use archetypes to guide decision-making. Once you have them, use them to inform your decision-making process and guide the design of your Salesforce solutions. Keep the archetypes in mind when evaluating new features, prioritizing improvements, or designing user experiences to ensure your solutions cater to the unique needs of each customer segment. By creating customer archetypes, you'll be able to understand your customers better and design more effective Salesforce solutions that address their specific needs and preferences. Step 3. Envision future scenarios. Envisioning future scenarios involves exploring various possibilities for how the world might evolve, including technological changes, customer preferences, industry trends, and other factors that could impact your organization and its customers. By considering these potential changes, you can design more innovative and adaptable Salesforce solutions that address your customers' current needs and anticipate and respond to future challenges and opportunities. Here's how you can approach envisioning future scenarios. Identify key trends and drivers of change. Start by researching and identifying the key trends and drivers that could impact your organization and its customers. These could include technological advancements, demographic shifts, customer preferences, regulatory changes, or industry disruptions. Develop plausible future scenarios. Based on the identified trends and drivers of change, develop a set of likely scenarios that reflect different ways the world might evolve. Each scenario should represent a unique combination of movements and drivers and be distinct enough to offer a different perspective on the future. Assess the implications of each scenario. For each future scenario, assess the potential consequences for your organization and its customers. Consider how the scenario might impact customer needs, preferences, and pain points, and how it might create new opportunities or challenges for your organization. Identify opportunities and challenges. Based on your assessment, identify the key opportunities and challenges arising from each scenario. Consider how these opportunities and challenges influence the design of your Salesforce solutions and how your organization can leverage them to create value for your customers. Design Salesforce solutions for the future. Use your understanding of future scenarios to inform the design of your Salesforce solutions. Consider how features, integrations, or customizations can address the identified opportunities and challenges, and ensure your solutions are adaptable and resilient in the face of change. By envisioning future scenarios, you'll be better prepared to design Salesforce solutions that address your customers' current needs and anticipate and respond to future challenges and opportunities. As a Salesforce Business Analyst, you can use these insights to design and implement improvements to the patient engagement and appointment scheduling processes using Salesforce Health Cloud features. For example, you could create personalized patient portals, automate appointment reminders, and integrate with telehealth platforms to enhance the patient experience. By mastering customer discovery techniques, you'll be better equipped to understand your customers and design more effective Salesforce solutions. These skills are essential for your role as a business analyst and the Salesforce Business Analyst certification exam. Now, let's discuss some key concepts and tips to remember for the certification exam. Understand the importance of empathy. Remember that empathy is crucial for understanding your customers' needs and designing solutions that cater to their unique requirements. Be prepared to explain how to empathize with customers and how this skill can be applied in the customer discovery process. Know how to create customer archetypes. Be familiar with creating customer archetypes based on actual data and research. Be prepared to explain the benefits of using archetypes in the customer discovery process and how they can help you design more targeted Salesforce solutions. Envision future scenarios. Understand the importance of exploring future scenarios to identify new opportunities and challenges. Discuss how envisioning future scenarios can help you design more innovative and adaptable Salesforce solutions. Leverage Salesforce features. Understand how Salesforce features can be used to improve the customer experience. Be familiar with Salesforce Health Cloud and other relevant Salesforce products and how they can help enhance customer engagement and streamline processes. Remembering these concepts and tips, you'll be well prepared for the Salesforce Business Analyst certification exam. That's it for today's episode. We hope this deep dive into customer discovery techniques has provided you with valuable insights and practical tips for your Salesforce Business Analyst journey. Stay tuned for more episodes that will guide you on your path to success in Salesforce Business Analysis.